That's why I think technology is super important. I want to talk to you also about technology and real estate because you're a pioneer on getting people talking the same language when it comes to data,
Yeah.
technology, and how we can use this to leverage for the real estate space. Because you have hard-coded data in a website, it
Yeah.
doesn't, as the dollar goes up and down, that doesn't change. But if we have a system with AI or as we're chatting, some data scraping for conversion that will be like taking today's value and updating your data, that will be awesome. Is there anything that you want to share with us about technology? Because I know you love it.
Yeah. That was one of the things that I noticed. So I started kind of getting interested in real estate here about, actually it was like in January. I've only been like really in real estate for since January. And so I was doing a show with a couple other realtors. Now I do the show with a lot of other realtors. But one of the common problems I see is this lack of visibility on listings. And I remember talking to one of the real estate brokers and I said, yeah, I think I'm going to build an MLS because, man, this is like ridiculous that everybody's got their own listings and they're not sharing them and all that. And his jaw about hit the floor and he said, you can't do that. And I'm like, why can't I do that? He goes, you'll destroy my company. I'm like, we've been here for X amount of years and that's a big competitive advantage we have. And I can't allow you to, I didn't say I can't allow you. He said, you're going to destroy our business because that's a big competitive advantage we have. And I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna go, if I don't build it, somebody's gonna build it. And yeah, so basically I found the company I found some employees that used to work that did the development for Uber that now live in Playa. And, they have engineers in India that are doing a lot of the programming, but those are the guys that are building my MLS site. And it's technically not going to be an MLS because we're not going to have the structure in place that the US and Canada have with multiple listings. It's going to be more of we're going to look at all the websites. The AI is going to tell us which ones to crawl. We're going to crawl them a couple times a day and then scrape the data and then figure out what to do. The AIs will be making, WhatsApp calls to the realtors to validate the properties. And then once we have confidence in that particular site is keeping everything updated, then we'll give those sites preferential treatment in the listings because we know they're trustworthy sites. And then all of the listings throughout Mexico will be on one website.